C-Enterprise is a comprehensive ERP software platform that includes modules for financial accounting, inventory management, purchase order processing, CRM and sales order processing, production, subcontracting, quality control, machine maintenance, and fixed asset management. It is seamlessly integrated with the CPay HRMS software. One of the standout features of C-Enterprise is its built-in Power Reporter tool, which allows for customized document printing and advanced report generation. This business intelligence tool integrates design components directly into an HTML canvas, offering unmatched flexibility and ease of use. The beauty of C-Enterprise software lies in its intuitive, user-friendly design. By structuring content in a way that is easy to navigate, it eliminates the need for prior training. Built with a strong focus on UX design principles, C-Enterprise delivers a seamless and efficient user experience. C-Enterprise is the first ERP system built using microscreen architecture. These microscreens can be accessed from anywhere within the application, with appropriate parameters passed seamlessly. To better understand its functionality, let's explore the dashboard. Once the dashboard is opened, it displays key modules, providing a summary of management information and graphical presentations. Each management summary or graphical report can be drilled down to reveal detailed levels of information. This feature enables top management to quickly grasp the enterprise's financial position at a glance. When selecting a specific module, a dedicated dashboard for that module appears, featuring summaries and graphical reports. By clicking on a management information summary, users can access detailed data and multiple drill-down reports linked to it. Let's take a look at these reports. They are self-explanatory, and I will showcase a few of them for you. Click on the More Info button within the Receivables MIS display to view a list of receivables categorized by each customer. From here, select Yearly Ledger to display all vouchers for the chosen party within the current financial year. To review specific details, click on a voucher, which will open a detailed view of the transaction. Use the Back button to return to the previous screen and click it again to step further back. For a month-wise summary of transactions, select Monthly Ledger. And finally, click the Back button again to navigate back to the main dashboard. Similarly, you can view the MIS information for payables as well. Back to the main dashboard. To view the cash and bank balance within the application, navigate to the Cash and Bank MIS display area and click on the More Info icon. This action will display the balances for each bank on the screen. For a detailed breakdown, select the Yearly option to view all vouchers recorded during the current financial year, conveniently presented for your reference. Press the Back button to move the main dashboard. Let's take a look at the sales amount and the amount received during the period. Click the More Info button in the MIS display area on the screen. This will show the sales data categorized by account and customer. To view the monthly values, click the Monthly button. Once done, use the Back button to return to the previous screen. Navigate back to the dashboard. You may have noticed that the reports allow drill-down capabilities all the way to the originating data points. Similarly, drilling down into graphical reports displays data in a detailed report format with associated subreports. Let's take a look at these reports. They are self-explanatory, and I will showcase a few of them for you. Now, we will go through the graphical representation of the income and expenditure statement. The chart will display monthly income and expenditure, represented by blue and red bars, respectively. To view the data in a detailed report format, click the View Report button. The report allows further drill-down functionality, enabling users to explore data at a monthly level and ultimately reach the voucher-level details. Press the back button to come back to the dashboard. Similarly, we can go through other graphical presentations such as Profit and Loss Statement, Monthly Sales Report, Sales Category-wise, Monthly Purchase Report, Purchase Category-wise, The C Enterprise design approach ensures that information is presented in a user-friendly and visually engaging manner, adhering to UX best practices. Now, let's explore the key features of the top menu bar, starting from the left. The module icon provides access to all modules in the C Enterprise ERP system. The menu icon displays the menu options on the left side of the screen. Calculator icon displays the built-in calculator. The search icon provides menu search. The dashboard icon returns users to the main dashboard assigned to them. The select financial period allows users to change the financial period. The company icon used to select the company and plant. The help icon provides access to help and information for the application. The user icon displays the user profile and allows sign out from the application. The color settings icon enables users to change the screen's theme or color scheme. C Enterprise is the first ERP system designed with an integrated help system that guides users through step-by-step implementation procedures. Its innovative microscreen architecture ensures seamless navigation to relevant sections directly from the help system. To get started, open the help system and select Get Started and Implementation. Follow the guided steps to configure the application. For implementing the Finance module, click the Configure button next to Finance to open its configuration setup. Similarly, click the Configure button to set up the company. Input the required information and save the details. The microscreen architecture ensures a smooth and efficient navigation experience throughout the entire configuration process. Another standout feature of C Enterprise is its capability to translate screens into the local language, with the translations remaining consistent across sessions. Here, we can see an example of a translated screen. User-friendly UX design, microscreen architecture, comprehensive enterprise functionality, seamlessly integrated modules, and built-in Power Reporter feature highlight why many users are transitioning to C Enterprise from their existing ERP systems. Its cost-effectiveness and low maintenance expenses make it an attractive choice for businesses of all sizes and turnovers. Now, I will demonstrate the financial accounting module of the Cosmosoft C Enterprise solution. C Enterprise is the first accounting software designed to be user-friendly and accessible without any prior training. It can be installed and operated easily, even by users with no previous accounting experience. Let's explore the features of the software step by step. After logging in, the ERP dashboard will appear on the screen. To access the Finance module, click on Finance and the Finance dashboard will be displayed. To view the menu options, click the Menu Expansion button on the left side of the screen, and the full menu will appear. Various MIS reports are presented in a graphical format to provide top management with a clear overview of the organization's financial position. In any accounting system, the first step is to create a chart of accounts. This process begins with setting up account groups, followed by creating individual ledgers. To create an account group, go to the Account Group option under the Masters menu. A list of existing account groups will be displayed on the screen. To add a new account group, click the plus button. To edit an existing account group, click the Edit button next to the desired group in the list, as shown on the screen. To return to the list view, click the List button. Account groups are organized in a tree-like structure, with each group created under the parent group. Click the Tree View button to display the account groups in a tree format. You can expand or collapse the structure by clicking the arrows located before each group. In the accounting system, the primary groups include liabilities, assets, income, and expenditure. Next, we will demonstrate how to create a ledger in the Cosmosoft C Enterprise ERP system. In C Enterprise ERP, ledgers are organized under account groups and classified into various types based on their specific functions. These types include bank accounts, bank overdraft accounts, cash account, customers, suppliers, tax ledgers, and item accounts. Let's start by creating a bank account. To do this, go to the Account Heads option under the Masters menu. A list of existing bank accounts will be displayed on the screen. The list can be downloaded in CSV, Excel, or PDF format. To add a new bank account, click the plus button and enter the required details such as the name, ledger number, branch, IFSC code, address, etc. The fields are self-explanatory and do not require further explanation. Click the Save button to save the bank details. To return to the list view, click the List button. Click the Edit button to edit or modify an existing bank details. The next step is to create a customer. To do this, go to the Customer option under the Masters menu. A list of existing customer details will be displayed on the screen. To add a new customer, click the plus button and then enter the required details in each tab. In the General tab, fill in the customer PAN number, GST number, email, and telephone number. Next, go to the Address tab and enter both the billing and shipping addresses. After that, go to the Consignee tab, enter details for multiple consignees. In the Buyer tab, add the buyer's information. Then, move to the Contact tab to input the customer's contact details. In the Payment tab, enter the credit details. In the Bank tab, enter the customer's bank details. Similarly, creating an income ledger, expense ledger, and suppliers in C Enterprise ERP is straightforward. This makes it one of the most functionally rich accounting software solutions available today, which is why many individuals and companies are migrating from their existing accounting systems to C Enterprise. Let's explore how to record financial transactions such as receipts, payments, purchases, sales, and journal vouchers in C Enterprise accounting software. To enter a receipt voucher, navigate to the Accounting Vouchers menu under Transactions and select the Receipt option. A list of receipt documents will then be displayed on the screen. Click the Add button to add a voucher to the selected document. Then, select the bank and enter the voucher number, date, and other details. Click the plus button in the center of the screen to add a line item. When you click the down arrow, a list of account heads or customer names will appear in a dialog box. Search for the desired account head or customer and select it. Then, enter the amount and narration. If the user wants bill-wise selection, click the Bill Breakup button and choose the bills for which the receipts are being received. Press the Save button to save the transaction. After saving, the Submit button will appear, allowing the user to submit the document for approval. Do not forget to submit the document. Click the List button to view existing documents. Use the Edit button to edit the document. Similarly, payment transactions can be created in the same manner. To create a sales voucher, navigate to the Accounting Vouchers menu and select Sales. A list of sales documents will be displayed. To add a new voucher, click the Add button to add a voucher to the document. Select the customer and then enter the voucher number, date, and details. Choose the appropriate sales account, enter the amount, and press the Save button to save the voucher. After saving, click the Submit button to submit the document. You may have noticed that no other accounting software is as simple to use as the C Enterprise accounting system. So why not switch to C Enterprise for your accounting needs? Let's now explore the reporting capabilities of the C Enterprise software. C Enterprise enables the creation of custom reports tailored to specific user requirements, utilizing the advanced features of the Cosmosoft Power Reporter, a business intelligence reporting tool. To create a report, navigate to the Report Design module and open the Report Designer on the HTML canvas. Here, you can design and save your custom report formats. Once saved, these reports will be accessible under the Custom Reports menu option. The report creation using Cosmosoft Power Reporter tool is described in a separate session. Using this tool, the purchase order format, invoice format, or any other report can be customized. The built-in Excel reporter allows users to create customized Excel reports. The process of creating Excel report formats and using the reporter is covered in a separate session. Users have the flexibility to design the Excel report formats themselves. In addition, C Enterprise provides a robust feature for generating user-configurable analysis reports. Users can create graphical representations of financial and operational data, including monthly, quarterly, or half-yearly summaries. Examples of data that can be analyzed include periodic expenses, employee salaries, and sales income, offering valuable insights for decision-making. Users can configure these graphical reports independently. The process of creating and configuring graphical reports is explained in detail in a dedicated session. Let's take a quick look at the pre-built reports available in the Financial Accounting module. Navigate to the View and Reports menu in the main menu. The various reports include the Daybook, Opening Balance View, Bank and Cash, Reports, Party Ledgers, Ledgers, Trial Balance, Profit and Loss, Statement, Balance Sheet, Tax and GST, Statements, Aging Reports, and Custom Reports. Select the Daybook and enter the date to view the details for the day. To view the opening balance for the current financial year, choose the Opening Balance menu option. Select the Bank Book. A list of banks will be displayed. Click the name of the bank to view the Bank Book for the selected period. A transaction list for the selected period will appear on the screen. To expand the view of the screen, click the List Hide button at the top of the menu. Users can download the report in CSV, Excel, or PDF format. Users can create and download reports in Excel format, customized to meet specific requirements, using the Excel Reporter tool. How to create reports in Excel Reporting tool is available in a separate session. To view customer and supplier ledgers, select the Party Ledger option. From the Customer menu, you can access a list of all customers. Simply click on a customer's name to display their vouchers. Similarly, from the Supplier menu, you can access a list of all supplier. Simply click on a supplier name to display their vouchers. To view pending receipts from customers, click on the Pending Receipts menu option. A list of customers will appear. Select a customer to view the pending amount receivable along with a document-wise summary of the transactions. Similarly, to view pending payables to suppliers, click on the Pending Payment menu option. A list of suppliers will appear. Select a supplier to see the pending amount payable along with a document-wise summary of the transactions. Select the menu option Ledger to view the ledger balances. Ledger balance category-wise. The Ledger option displays a list of all available ledgers. Click on a ledger name to view its balance. The Income option shows only income-related ledgers. Click on a ledger name to view its balance. The Expense option lists only expense-related ledgers. Click on a ledger name to view its balance. The asset option lists only asset-related ledgers. Click on a ledger name to view its balance. The liability option lists only liability-related ledgers. Click on a ledger name to view its balance. Let's review the financial performance reports, including the trial balance, profit and loss statement, and balance sheet in CEnterprise software. To view the trial balance, click on Trial Balance from the menu. The report can be viewed by account name, group name, or group tree-wise. Click on the Account Name-wise option in the menu to display the report view on the screen. Users can download the report in CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. To view a detailed drill down for each account head, click the Yearly button in the right corner. A list of vouchers for the year will appear. Click on the Voucher button to see the specific voucher details. Click the Back button to return to the yearly list. Then, click the Back button once more to go back to the trial balance. To view the Profit and Loss statement, select Profit and Loss from the sidebar menu to display the statement on the screen. To view all ledgers for the year, click the Yearly Ledger button. Click the Back button to return to the previous level. To view ledgers organized by month, click the Monthly Ledger button. Click the Back button to return to the Profit and Loss statement. To view the Balance sheet, select Balance sheet from the menu. To view all ledgers for the year, click the Yearly Ledger button. Click the Back button to return to the previous level. To view ledgers organized by month, click the Monthly Ledger button. Click the Back button to return to the previous screen. By now, you may have realized that CEnterprise accounting software does not require any prior training. Chartered accountants and finance managers can use the accounting module with just basic accounting knowledge. Now, let's explore how to configure the aging formats. In CEnterprise ERP, it is essential to create a format for presenting the aging report to ensure clarity and structure. For example, the aging categories can be defined as follows: less than 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, 91 to 180 days, 181 to 365 days, and greater than 365 days. These categories provide a comprehensive breakdown of transactions based on their age, enabling better analysis and management. Select the menu option, Customer-wise Aging, to view the aging report. Similarly, select the Supplier-wise Aging to view the aging report for payables. Select the Tax and GST menu option to access the monthly tax details. This report offers a comprehensive overview of all purchases and sales along with their respective taxes, presented in a single view. It helps in identifying input tax and output tax on a party-wise basis. GST reports and statements are provided separately in a dedicated section,